Hello friends, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about a definition of instrument mechanism. Instrument is a device, or we can say a complex machine, which have a particular input and have a particular output. Instrument is a type of machine, but all the machines are not instruments. Instrument is a non-destructive type device, and machine can be a destructive type device or non-destructive type device. So instrument is one of the types of machines. Now there are difference between instrument and machines, and there is one more point, that is tool. What is tool? Tool is an object which is used to help particular operations, which is used to help in particular operations, that is tool. And what is instrument? Generally instruments are used to measure, for measurement purpose, and it is also used for other purpose, such as a guitar, a musical instrument, a sitar, a musical instrument. This is not for measurement, but still it is an instrument. Why? Because it is a complex device, it is a non-destructive device. So instrument is a non-destructive device, and it is a type of particular machine that have a non-destructive output. Okay, so this is the difference between instrument, machines and tools. Okay, thanks. Instrument mechanism. As we discuss that instrument is a type of complex machine which have a non-destructive output and which is majorly used for the measurements. Now, as it is a machine and every machine works on a particular mechanism, so what type of different mechanisms we used in an instrument, that is called instrument mechanism. So in instrument mechanism we will discuss and deals about various types of mechanism which can be used or which is generally used in a instrument. Okay, thank you.